Hi, introducing our product, single cell BMS algorithm development and testing lab. As a part of this lab setup, we will have the complete single cell BMS hardware, which consists of several components, and also a computer where you will be able to develop the software. Let me give you a first quick run through of this hardware setup. If you want to develop a BMS algorithm, then what you need, right? You need a setup that can charge the battery, also discharge the battery. I would say at the cell, as it is a single cell as of now. So this complete hardware setup that we currently have here has the option to place two cells. That means you can keep NMC and also an option for LFP cell as well. You have the section here which helps you to control the charge current and also the charge voltage. Let's say if you're conducting an experiment on an LFP cell, you need to charge to a different potential window. If you're using an NMC, you need to charge it to a different potential window. So you have an option to set the charge voltage and also the charge current so that you can charge the cell at different charging C rates. We also have the other side here, the discharging circuit. This discharging circuit is a constant current load. You can set an exact amount of current and the load will discharge that from the given cell. So you have the setup, you can charge the cell, you have the setup that you can discharge the cell, also the place where you can keep the cell. Apart from these two things, we also have an option that we can able to visualize the data, what is coming and happening inside the battery management system. So you can see the parameters of the cell voltage, the maybe cell temperature, the cell SOC, and rest of the other conditions too. We also have given the option of LED indications. If there is any conditions of faults and things like that, you can also indicate them with the help of an LED light. This is the broad overview, but the core thing that happens here is the microcontroller. We are developed this whole setup based on an NXP S32 platform, which helps the learner to understand on how to write an algorithm for industry-based microcontrollers, not just the DIY microcontrollers, so that the students who learn on how to use this hardware and how to write a software for this hardware will gain a very relevant industry exposure of developing an embedded software. So it just doesn't stop at this as hardware, but the more important thing is that how do you write the software for the battery management system? The thing is that we have developed the complete environment for creating the software with the help of MATLAB and Simulink. That means the students or the learners will be able to write the software with the help of MATLAB and Simulink workflow, which is called as model-based software development, MBDT. With the help of this, you can use toolboxes of MATLAB such as MATLAB, Simulink, Stateflow, and also a variety of other toolboxes for conducting mill testing, SIL testing, and all of these tests. Once you make sure that your application software is all good with all of these steps of verification, then you can deploy the algorithm into the microcontroller. So it is a direct interface that you can do an autocode generation and deploy the algorithm into the hardware directly. When you want to monitor the data, we also have developed an application interface where you will be able to, in live, monitor all of these parameters, the cell voltage, the current, the temperature, variety of all the details that will be coming up here so that you can get a real picturization of how the algorithm is behaving, how the cell is behaving, is your algorithms actually triggering the fault conditions, are they doing the right amount of SOC estimations, all of these learning activities. And the other thing, you can also use this interface where you will be able to operate the hardware interface where we can say enable, disable, set maybe the voltage condition, current condition, charge current conditions, and also the discharge current condition. In this way, the whole setup can be just operated with the help of MATLAB interface collecting the data with a MATLAB interface, also developing the software with the help of MATLAB interface. So the hardware lets you to explore all of these things. So then how does the product differentiates and how does the product adds a value? So this product does much more than conducting a typical ABCD experiments and collect the value and note the data. It is not the intention of this, sole intention of this product, where we want to create a learning experience like how an engineer in the industry like Bosch, Conti, or any other Delphi, Denso would develop the software in their industry. So industry follows the workflow of developing application software, developing base software, doing all the type of verifications activities, then also maybe hardware in loop testing, and then finally deploying into the hardware. So we want to create the similar learning experience. So when I mean to say, yes, you can conduct experiments of ABCD, but it gives you an opportunity to go more than this and then conduct more amount of learning to develop an embedded software as like in industry. So with the help of this setup, you can get your students or the learners to the level very close to the needs of the industry, and they will have the right skill sets by learning through the setups. Apart from it, if the researchers would like to develop the foundational algorithms quickly and bring some amount of validation into a place, the hardware also helps you to create opportunities for the same. In this way, the whole hardware is at a very a fluidic opportunity for you to create the learning experimentations and also conducting opportunities for the students to explore in developing the software, explore in creating the interesting mini projects with the help of this hardware setup, and get the skill sets that they will be right to the needs of what industry wants. I believe this product will greatly help you in creating the fantastic learning journey for creating and developing embedded software, also a domain-specific software for battery management systems. Thank you.